Man, I'm buying all kinds of junk. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're on our way to the Sledarama in Peterborough, Ontario.
Yep.
We're looking for a starter for Adrian.
Yeah, because he couldn't come. He said he had to go to school or something on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Who goes to school on Sunday?
You need a windshield.
Yeah, and engine brace.
Engine brace. I'm looking for some parts for an old TNT. We'll get the editor to throw in a photo here.
Right here. Photo right here. Sponsoring.
And so yeah, we're gonna pick you guys up when we get there. Alright guys, it's a couple days before the Peterborough Sledarama. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick view of what I'm looking for parts for. It's a 1972 Skidoo TNT. Belonged to a close friend of mine who's passed away. It is a 340. See, we're missing some parts. Under the hood you can see pipes really rotten.
I feel I need a tetanus shot just from looking at it. The only thing holding her together are the bird droppings, sir.
Fuel tank's seen better days. Hood is cracked. It's looks like it's from 1972. Tunnel is definitely rotten, and there's some rot along the edge here. Good restoration project, but I'll see you guys at the Sledarama.
Let's go!
Alright, we made it to Peterborough, where the Sledarama is, home of the Pete's Hockey Arena. Give you guys a quick view. There's vendors inside and outside. All these parts will be outside. New vendors will be inside in the arena or in the barn. And I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough.
Hey, you want to see some crazy sharpers? Have yourself a daggum garage sale.
I almost want to ask him what this thing runs.
$5. Doesn't look like it. Who else thinks that?
Hedge trimmer doesn't run, does it?
I haven't had it going in years.
Is the recoil boogered on it, or
It'll go back in if you wait on the vehicle.
$5?
for $5?
Oh, what do you have there?
Hey, how can I lose?
Well, spark plug's probably worth more than $5. Very good. We took up your parking spot now. You're all good. We got the wheel weights for the plow. You're all set.
Now you don't have to drag it home.
You know.
Yeah.
Man, I'm buying all kinds of junk.
You know what kind of stuff rednecks like to buy? Shiny stuff.
All right, well, I think we did pretty good. I was able to find a brand new TNT pipe, a fuel tank. There's some exhaust bits in the bag. Of course, hedge trimmer. Mark was able to find himself a windshield for his Gen 4. No starter for Adrian. Everything was just a little rich for his blood. But anyways, that's the Sledarama 2024.